Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to all the new subscribers. I am making hummus, and for that I'm using 2 cans of organic garbanzo beans, 2 cloves of garlic, germ removed. That gives you halitosis or garlic breath, so I always remove that. You're going to need the juice of 1 lemon, whether it is a lime or a real lemon, whatever you have at home, salt, sesame paste or tahini, and extra virgin olive oil. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and this is the first time that you stopped here, this is the time to do it. You have a link at the bottom right of your screen, so you can click on that and click on the bell on top to remind you of new videos. I am using the same container that I use to rinse the rice, because I find that to be the most effective way to remove the skin of the garbanzos. The skin doesn't taste good in the hummus, so we have to remove that. And what we do is we're going to rub the garbanzo and the skin is going to come off. Then we're going to add water and you're going to see that the skin has less density than the water and it will come up to the surface, and once you drain it, the water, it will stick right there by the slits on top of the, see? And it's a lot easier just to pick it up that way. I don't throw that skin in the trash. I either compost it or give it to the birds on the park or in the park. And that is the most effective way that I have of doing that. It's very quick and easy. Once that is the garbanzos are rinsed, we're going to put them in the food processor. We're going to add all the ingredients. This time I want to remind you that the list of ingredients is in the description box below if you're watching me on a computer or a tablet. Normally it doesn't show if you're watching TV, if you're watching YouTube on TV or on your cell phone. But this is a recipe that you have to at least try once. It tastes so much better than what you will get at a regular restaurant or at a grocery store. Even if you buy the organic hummus at a grocery store, it's not gonna taste as good as this. So we blend the hummus, and the process goes this way. In total, it's going to be about 8 minutes, but we're gonna stop and taste. We're looking for 2 things. One is flavor. Make sure that it has enough salt, lemon juice, tahini, and see, that is too dry for me, so I will continue blending. And the other one, so we're looking for 2 things, flavor and consistency. The other one is consistency. I am also adding ice, and that's gonna make it smoother. To this particular batch, I added more olive oil and more sesame seed oil. That is almost there, but it's still not to my liking. That is much better. See, it's a little silkier, creamier, and that is just perfect for me. But now we have to go out to do some errands, or I have to go out to do some errands, because the hummus has to rest for 2 or 3 hours before you serve it. If you can, I mean, you can eat it just the way it is, but it's better to let it rest so that the garbanzo beans can absorb all the flavors. And that is a portion for about 2 people. You know, you're not eating a whole lunch or a whole dinner, it's just an appetizer. And with the back of the spoon, you shape that. Then I added the extra virgin olive oil. And what I told you at the beginning, something that you're going to like, if you have it at home and haven't used it on hummus, use it. It is sumac, a spice. It is spelled S-U-M-A-C. It comes from the Middle East and tastes a little lemony, a little citric, and goes extremely well with the hummus. The other thing that I do different uh, with the hummus is that instead of adding parsley, I add cilantro, and obviously you put a little bit of olive oil on top. You can never have enough olive oil on your hummus. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for sharing. Check out all the playlists that I have on my channel. Go to the top menu and check them out. I serve them with pickles and carrot sticks. Chaito.